All good. From the future speaking. So I came here because I had two things to say. Number one being I went there on the 10th and I returned on the 13th. But why am I uploading the vlog on 27th? That's because I wanted to make sure that me and my whole family was safe. So 14 days of self-isolating. Also number two being the day which we went, that is the 10th also, and 11th and 12th was supposed to be a lockdown, but when we reached there, 12th, well, a lockdown got cancelled. Initially, we didn't have any plans of going out, but as the lockdown got cancelled, we went out on the 12th. And yeah, that's all about it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So currently it's almost 7, so I'm leaving right now, and now let's go. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have reached and now I'm inside the hotel. So now what we're gonna do is we have gotten fresh and now we have ordered breakfast. We'll do breakfast, then maybe go out for a little while. Time for breakfast. After finishing breakfast, we went outside. It was raining the whole day, but at that time it was so sunny. This was literally our condition, and yeah, that's the pretty view. It's 1:40 right now, so we went outside a little, but it was so hot outside that we came back very soon. Like we were out for like 10 minutes. It was raining the whole day, but now it's so hot. I mean, if you can see, I don't know if you can, but yes. Now we are chilling. Okay, so let me show you the view from our room. Wait. Right. I hope you can see. Right. Yeah. After having lunch and all we did was sleep and listen to music, and this was the time after dinner we were literally dancing, me and my sister and my mom. We played some music and I made some Instagram stories as well. In a few seconds, you all will see that my sister is also giving a dance performance, but unfortunately, I had to mute the music, otherwise, I will get copyrighted, which is definitely not what we want. So, enjoy! it's the next day. Now it's 12:32. It's 11th September. So I hope you all enjoyed our dance last night. So we woke up, had our breakfast, and also we have a special member with us. I'm gonna put a clip next to this so that you can see. She's so cute. So I didn't really tell you why we are here, where are we. So actually we are in Digha, and we came here because my grandmom was living with us for the past 2 months, but now it's time for her to go home. That's in Kolkata. So we brought her from our home to here. Mom's sister is here. She's gonna take her to Kolkata. So yeah, that's it. And also we are here to stay for like 2-3 days. So we are safe. We are taking all the precautions. What the hell are you doing? We are taking all the precautions. So yeah, that's the reason why we are here, and please ignore her. What I was saying is that I'm not being able to film a lot. That's because most of the times we're chatting and sleeping and not doing anything. Like, we're not going outside. So what I'm gonna show you. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Hello everyone. So currently it's 3:36 right now. We had our lunch, so now I was feeling bored, so thought of exploring the terrace of this hotel. So I don't know if it is open or not, so but we are going. Let's see if it is. The lift has been stopped for the time being, so we have to take the stairs. Yeah. This is the terrace. It's pretty. It's pretty. Look at the sky. Let me take you on that side. Okay. So took some photos as well. The location is so pretty, and also let me show you one thing. See, you can see the sea from here. There it is. Here it is. So pretty, right? Okay, so it's so hot. Let's go downstairs now. Bye. Bye. Because of the corona going on, we have brought our own bed cover, so that we can throw it on the ones given by the hotel. By the way, let's do one thing. My sister is sleeping over here. Okay, she's very what should I say, if I touch her over here, she's going to be like, oh, oh. Hello. Hi. Failed attempt. Hi everyone, it's snacks time. Look at her, guys. She is posing with the shark. Lol. Go and eat her. Hi guys, welcome back. Hello. Oh my God. Later in the day, we had some seafood and we enjoyed the sunset. It was so beautiful, I can't even explain it in words. And then we left after a few minutes. The next day we left the hotel at around 5. We were supposed to go somewhere, but that plan got cancelled, so I didn't vlog anymore. And yeah, we left for home. And yeah, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Till then, bye.